Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the support, views, new subscribers, all that jazz every day. Let's go ahead and get jumping in. Went ahead and finished these 3 lights up. If you remember yesterday, I think this one was finished and then these 2 were not. So I went ahead and finished these. Just had to extend some of the wires over because they were short. So that there's a whole bunch of splices in there, but you'll never know. And then also, like I said, re-pulled the wire down to here. So I got that down to the switch again. So that's done. And then over here, mounted this light and then chopped the end of this off, box offset it into the light. So that took a couple tries just because the offset wasn't enough, so I had to take it down and then bend it a little bit more and then stick it back up there and got it. So I went ahead and I think I anchored that side as well. So all these are anchored on this side and screwed into the box. So that should do it in here. And then once again, working on the garage lights out here on the first floor. I think I mentioned Nick was going to be gone today, so he dipped, but my other 2 coworkers randomly came down and worked on the lights, so that was awesome. So I basically just opened the boxes, actually didn't drill the holes, but I knocked the knockouts in the boxes, drilled the holes for the screws in drilled the screw holes in the light to mount to the boxes, and then kind of just delivered those. And then afterwards they were just blowing through those. One guy was hanging, one guy was making up and finishing, and then I just went around and wrapped all these lights for the last hour or 2. I don't know how long I was wrapping for, but anyways, basically got every single light up here on the first floor except for the 2 which we were missing, and the one down by the dog wash, which wasn't ready to go because there's no wire or whatnot. So anyways, got all these lights hanging. I think there's like 23 of the regular ones, the P fixtures, and then six of the other fixtures. So minus the 2, so it's 23 plus 4. So I think there was 27 that we hung today, if that's correct. So yeah, there's only one of them that had to re-drill because these pipes were in the way. So I'll go ahead and show you that one. But anyways, that very much wraps it up. So I was expecting to be hanging these by myself today, drilling holes, mounting, wiring, all that stuff, but ended up just unboxing, drilling holes, and wrapping these up. So it was a super nice day. Didn't get my 40 hours in, but half hour short. But anyways, super good day. So yeah, that should about do it. And yeah. And then here are the last 3 right here. Oh, actually, I think we did not mount that one in the corner, so it might be 4 short of the whole floor. Alright everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys back here on Monday for more work videos. Might go check out the house in a little bit, give you guys an update on that. Anyways, that should do it. Check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.